Hey, what's up guys? This is my 2008 BMW E90. It's a 328i, and right here under the armrests in the center console area, it's missing the aux cord, right? So usually there should be an aux cord, a jack right here, so you can plug in an aux cord cable. But this one looks like it got pushed through, right? So I'm missing my aux cable, so I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Alright, so I just disconnected the battery in the trunk. So you want to do that before you start removing anything, especially if wires are involved. So next I'm going to remove this e-brake cover, and then I'm just going to use a plastic trim tool and then get it under here, and then you'll be able to pop that out. And then there's also clips on the side, so you just want to work those out too, like this. So they're just plastic clips on the side. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get... So see, there's clips, 2 clips in the back right here, and then there's gonna be these black clips like this all the way around this bracket right here. So once those are all off, you can kind of pull it forward, and then you'll be able to see the inside. Alright, so I just removed the e-brake boot, and then right there, that's the aux connector, right? So basically it was right here, but then I'm guessing it got pushed down through here and it just fell down here, right? So this is what I'm looking for. Let's see if I can... Man, I can't reach that with my fingers, man. Oh yeah, yeah, so here it is. See that? That's supposed to be right there. Alright, so now I gotta take this out and then put it back. Alright, so I think the easiest way of doing this is to disconnect the wire and remove this from here, and then got the wire back through that hole right there, and then plug this in and connect it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So just disconnect this. Alright, so that's disconnected. Alright, so now I'm just gonna guide this wire back through and then try to see if I can feel it on this side. There we go. So God damn it. Yeah, so if your fingers aren't small enough to fit through, you can just use a screwdriver or a pick and then guide this wire through. Come on. Oh man. Almost got it. Alright. So there's the wire, And now I'm just gonna connect it back. So aux cord. Oops. Alright, put it back. And make sure it clicks and then it's good, and then you can plug it back in like this. Oh no, did I do it wrong? Oh no. Alright, so there you have it, guys. That's how to fix your aux cord in an E90. Motherfucker. Alright, so before I pop this in, this is just a side note. You see how on this side there's like a little like tab groove to go into the side of this right here, but on the other side there's nothing, right? So if I just put this in, if I just push this in, it's just gonna fall through again because there's nothing catching it on this side. So at first I tried plugging it in and then the same thing happened, it just went through again, right? So right now what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna put some 3M tape on the bottom right here, and hopefully it sticks to that bracket down there, right there. And let's see if that works. Alright, so I just got a whole lot of 3M tape on there, and then hopefully that sticks to that bracket down there. I don't know if you can see it, but that one right there. So let's see if this will hold up. So let's see. Just do it. Alright. Alright, so now the aux cord insert actually stays in place now. It's not 100% perfect, you know, see, it's not 100% perfect, but you can still use it and it won't be pushed down anymore, see? And that's how you fix an aux cord in an E90. So if you want to check out my other videos, I have more videos on E90 common problems and issues and how to fix them. Alright, thanks for watching.